would break my heart in two if you should fall into my arms. Tremble like waabigwan. Eh, BOOZHOO ni Janashinabe Doog. Welcome to my podcast on Ojibwe language and culture. Today's special word, waabigwan, flower. Waabigwan oe, this flower. You might be asking yourself, I want to know way, what is this? And I would say, waabigwan oe, this is a flower, waabigwan. Yeah, so let's see, what can I say about waabigwan? You know, waabigwan's a good gift. You can give it to your weenie mushane. You can give it to your sweetheart, weenie mushane. And you know who else likes waabigwan? Waabigwanan likes flowers. Your grandma. Gina Comis. Give a big one to Gina Comis, your grandma. I'm telling this to you kids. Grandma doesn't want you to buy her anything. You know, she can buy her own stuff. Don't go to the store and buy her a scarf. You know, go outside. If it's a spring, you know, like during Mother's Day, go pick her some flowers. Or, you know, this Christmas, if you got a Nokomis, draw her a picture. Draw a picture of the two of you and then put it in a nice frame. You know, that's what I did. It's hanging on the wall over there. I tell you, when you give a gift that's something you made, it's like telling them, you know, I love you so much. I would work for hours to make your gift. You know, buying a gift is easy, but to make a gift, you know, that's real love. Isn't that right? We need Mushane. Okay. Well, that's all I have for today. Um, Wabigwan, flower. And you know, go out and pick a flower for your sweetheart or your grandma or somebody. All right. You got anything you want to add to this, sweetie? Okay. Well, then I'm gonna say, thank you for watching me bunch. BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language.